Welcome you all on Rishikul Online School, the best platform for providing education to students. Again, I welcome you all. Students, this is module number 4, and in this module, we shall discuss the topic Reach for the Top, Part 2. This has been written by Maria Sarapo and it has been taken from your book Beehive. So let's go to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss the introduction of the topic. So let's discuss. This biographical sketch briefly describes the world-renowned tennis star Maria Sharapova's rise to the top in the world of tennis. It also tries to unravel the secret behind her phenomenal success, rigorous labor, and immense sacrifice on her and her parents' part. Students, in the next slide we shall discuss the message of the topic. So let's go to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss the message of the topic. So let's discuss. This account of Maria Sharapova's success story conveys the message that diligence, hard work, and dedication never go unrewarded. Dreams can be realized only if one works earnestly, putting one's heart and soul in translating them into reality. Nothing can obstruct those who stick to their path with an unstaggering devotion. So, students, in the next slide, we shall discuss about the theme of the topic. So, let's move to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss the theme of the topic. So let's discuss. The account is biographical in nature and focuses on the grand achievements of the tennis player Maria Sharapova, who earned the title of the world number 1 in women's tennis in 2005. The author reveals that one has to pay a price for reaching the top in the form of hard labor, rigorous training, and sacrifice. Sometimes one has to undergo mental torture too on this path to success, but its rewards are always sweet and satisfying. Students, in the next slide we shall discuss the important characters of the topic. So let's move to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss the characters of the topic. So let's discuss. There are three important characters. First one is Maria Sharapova, second Yuri Sharapov, and third Yelena Sharapova. First of all, we shall discuss Maria Sharapova. Maria Sharapova is among the most renowned women tennis stars of all times, who is equally admired for her game and for her attractive looks. Former number 1 Maria Sharapova is an inspiration for everyone, especially the sportswomen. She loves pancakes and chocolate spread with Fiji orange drinks. Now we shall discuss Yuri and Yelena Sharapova. They are the parents of Maria, respectively. Their contribution to Maria's success is immense and cannot be measured in words. Students, the story will be discussed in the next module, so wait for the next module. Keep watching the module. Thank you.